I have got a cracking brunch recipe for you guys, and it's a combination of a lot of things coming together. So I am making a shakshuka pizza style bake, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I promise you will love it. And before I start, can I please request you to click the subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. So I'm going to get cooking and show you this awesome dish. Starting with 2 onions, I'm going to thinly slice them. Then I have 2 red peppers and I'll thinly slice these as well. Starting with a couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil. In goes a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Lovely sizzle, and then we add the onions. Now I'm going to cook this for around 5-6 minutes until they begin to get a little bit of color. And 2 garlic cloves, and I'm going to grate these. Now these are just beginning to get a tiniest bit of color, softening up nicely. I'm going to add the grated garlic. Cook for a minute. Then goes in our red peppers, and now I'm going to cook this for another 5 minutes. Now goes in a tin of chopped tomatoes, just a good mix. And now it is time to add all the spices. And for this I'm using very basic store cover spices, which I'm hoping that you will all have at home. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can completely skip that, but trust me, it just balances all the flavors. And the last spice is 1 tablespoon of rose harissa. Now if you can't find the harissa paste, you can make your own, or you could just add some chili paste and a little bit of ketchup, and that is going to give you lovely flavors as well. So I'm just going to mix it all well and then cover this and cook it on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and this is smelling amazing. Look at that, gorgeous. I'm just adding a handful of chopped coriander to this and give it a good mix. Now this is ready, so I am going to take it off the heat now. So I have got all the elements ready here. I have got a baking tray, and on that baking tray I have got ready-made wraps, and I have got our shakshuka ready. I have got some mozzarella cheese. I've got some cheddar cheese that I have grated and some eggs. And now I'm going to put this together. So first things first, I am going to put some of this loveliness. And I've got this space in the middle where I'm just going to crack an egg. Lovely. And then on the side a little sprinkle of cheddar cheese, and just going to break up some mozzarella on top of that. Oh, this is going to be so good. This goes in a hot oven at 180°C for roughly 15 minutes or so, and we'll keep a close eye. If the egg is done in 10 minutes, we're going to get this out in 10. And I'm going in, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous, with a few bits, crunchy bits in the corners. The middle bit is nice and soft because the egg was there. And I'm just gonna dig in. I'm not sure I should be eating this hot stuff, but I hope I don't burn my mouth. Oh dear God, that is unbelievable. I love shakshuka. I can almost have it every day for my breakfast or lunch or dinner, who cares. But to have a little base of that wrap is amazing. You can make this with pizza dough base, absolutely yes, which will be fantastic. And the cheese just is giving it that lovely saltiness. Absolutely delicious. I really do hope you're going to give this a go, because this is a cracking brunch recipe. That just eggs just completes it, and hope you'll enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Bye for now. See you very soon with another new recipe.